Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Nissan Navara dual cabs STX Ute, stock reference number 3924. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, has one small dent. Right hand headlight, factory alloy bull bar, supplied with all bolts and brackets, and filler panel. Left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror in chrome. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has 3 small dents. Factory left hand side step, supplied with all bolts and brackets. Right hand, left hand rear 16-inch factory alloy mags. It's got an aftermarket snug top canopy with roof racks. Tailgate has a couple of rust bubbles coming through. Still good private. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step. Sold as a pair, supplied with all bolts and brackets. Right hand door, rear, couple small dents. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, chrome type. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With a driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with dark grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.